How's it going, guys? Kyle back here at Transwest. Today I'm very excited to go over the brand new 2022 refresh Sierra Elevation package. Beautiful truck, as you can see from the color. This is a brand new color for 2022, only available on the Elevation and the AT4. So kind of a cool color, definitely changes light. So as we walk around, you're going to see the light change in it and see all the different contrasts that it has on it. A couple things that I want to go over with on the front are first are going to be the new headlights that GM came out for the 2022 refresh. As you can see, they are auto dimming LED lights, very bright during the day and very bright during the night as well. Still going back to the attention to detail, you have the GMC and the logo, the high definition bulbs, everything like that. Another thing that GMC changed on this vehicle from the 2022 old body style limiteds and the previous model year is the fog lights. As you can see, they're a little bit closer to the road or the highway, so it's going to show more, shine more on the vehicle. Then you have up here just the black accents that go along where the fog lights used to be. This one that I'm showing you today is a diesel. So the cool thing with this is your engine block heater is no longer attached to the battery. It's actually a plug and play cord that you get with the vehicle, so that way you don't have to worry about opening the hood, running it through. Just lift this up, plug it in, and then plug it into an outlet, kind of like your phone cord. Standard on all the vehicles is the tow hooks as well. So if you do take this somewhere rugged where you can't quite get out, you have easy access tow hook points to get to the vehicle. Another cool feature about the Elevation with the Premium Plus package is it has the HD surround vision. As you can see, it has a camera in the front of the vehicle with also a washer on it as well. So that way when you're driving around in the snow or anything like that, you can spray this off, so that way you can see your camera when you do get close to something. One of the packages that this Elevation has on it is the blackout package. Comes with the black GMC logos. Really cool package. That is dealer installed, so if you do start looking into a vehicle and it has the red emblems, ask them if your dealer is going to install the black emblems for you. My favorite thing about the Elevation that gets away from kind of the chrome and old outdated look is you get the matching painted bumpers as well. Brings the color down all the way down to the ground as well, so you have a clean, solid look going throughout the entire vehicle. I'll also touch on that in the back as well when we get back there. As we wrap back around, once again, you can see how bright the LED daytime running lights are. Very nice, so people can see you coming, and then at night it's even brighter. You also have the side marker lamps as well, which light up when you're turning, and then you have the Sierra emblem in the light as well. Another really cool feature about the Elevation that comes standard is the 20-inch high gloss black wheels. Very up-to-date, very modern look to the vehicle, just adds a little pop to it. Another accessory that we added here at the dealership is the matching fender flares. On a normal vehicle, these come in a matte black. They still look very well, but I think that adding the matching painted fender flares just adds a completed look to the vehicle. Another thing I love about GMC is they tell you what motor you're running in the vehicle. You know, if you're running the 6.2 liter, the 5.3 liter Vortec, or the Duramax, it's going to tell you right here, so you know exactly what you're riding, what you're driving, and what you're getting when you buy the vehicle. Along with the packages on this vehicle is the 6-inch assist black steps. Once again, on this vehicle, GM did try to delete as much chrome as they possibly can. So as you're walking around this vehicle with us, you'll notice very, very little chrome. When you step up here, you also have your matching painted door handles. A lot of vehicles you go to, they're either going to be black, they're going to be chrome, or they're not going to match the vehicle. I love with the Elevation, everything is uniform and in style. Once again, you have the push button start and push button entrance. So when you have the key in your pocket, your purse, or your backpack, you just walk up, press the button right there. Another cool feature is the blacked out trim around the windows. Going to other makes, models, even some other GMC trim levels, this is going to be chrome, it's going to be black, or it's going to be white. What I love about this is it goes along with the black package that comes with this vehicle to make everything look in unison. As we walk further down the vehicle, you can also see the matching painted fender flares go around the vehicle as well. This one also comes with the X31 package. With the X31 package, you get the all-terrain tires. You also get the X31 badging. Another really cool feature with the X31 package, when we go to the back of the vehicle, is going to be the dual exhausts. That does only come with the X31 package on the Elevation pickups. Like I said, very little chrome. Now obviously your Elevation emblem is going to be chrome, your Sierra emblem is going to be chrome. But going back to that blacked out package, you get the black GMC logos that kind of ties everything in. Another really cool feature about this truck is the multi-pro tailgate. Pretty cool, because if you want, you have your simple, normal tailgate that's been around for forever. But say you need help getting in, anything like that, you just come, press the button one more time, this opens down. Pop this down, you have a step to get in and out of the bed. They even gave you an access handle to get up in and out of the bed. Along with the premium package, you also have the spray and bed liner. What I love about getting the spray and bed liner from the factory is that you get the GMC logo. It's just the little extra touches that GM throws in to make you know what brand you're driving, make you love it a little bit more, just the attention to detail. When you're done with this, super simple and easy to pick up, now you can actually have easier access to get in and out of the bed. Lifting the tailgate's nice and simple. This tailgate is super light. Just grab one edge or the other, lift it up. Now you have a workbench. If you want to, work out of the back of your truck, sitting around fishing, hanging out, talking, just a nice little place to hang out. And lift this back up, and you're back up to a tailgate. Another cool feature about this Elevation package is it has the parking sensors in the rear. This is going to help you when you're getting in and out of tight spaces, in a parking garage, parking mall, or even the garage at your home. Along with the Elevation package, you have the tow package. You have a 7-way pin, and you also have the auxiliary trailer camera ports and outlets as well too. So if you ever wanted to add extra cameras, you could definitely do that as well. Cool feature with having the surround vision, as soon as you plug into the 7-way pin and you're driving down the road, whether you're turning left or right, as soon as you turn on your turn signal, it's actually going to turn on the camera on the screen so you can see all the way down to make sure that your trailer is not hitting a curb or anything like that. Last feature on the back that I like to go over with is the wheel lock as well. So this is for your spare tire. It's pretty cool. You have a key that attaches to your key fob. Just pop in there, pop the lock out, and crank it on down. That way people can't steal your spare tire. Going back around, once again you have the LED tail lights, bright, easy to see during the day and at night, so hopefully nobody rear ends you. Once again, they brand it with the X31 package, the matching fender flares, and then the 20-inch high gloss black wheels with the all-terrain tires. With this being a diesel, what I love now is GM moved their DEF system from underneath the hood to in the fuel tank. So when you get in here, you can see you have your diesel fuel that goes right there, and you have your DEF that goes right there. Simple, easy to fill up, with especially gas stations starting to put DEF at the fuel pump. Some cool features in the back of the truck. First one I want to go over with is the wood grain and the class and the leather of this vehicle. You can see nice wood grain up here, leather with the dark gray stitching, power windows as well, Bose sound system. I'll speak on that a little bit more when we get up front. In the back, comes standard with the vehicle is the underseat storage. Now there is also additional locking storage that you can purchase for the vehicle. It also comes with the all-weather floor liners as well. And you have heat and air in the back of the center console too, so that way your passengers in the back seat aren't going to be too hot or too cold. The other one of my favorite features of the back of the Elevation is the storage. Now this comes standard on everything above a Pro. So nice little storage compartment to put whatever you need, special tools, a bag, anything like that, nice and secure, and then you just close it right there. Nobody will know what's back there. All right, I'll hop up front and we'll go over a few of the interior features. All right, so now that we're actually inside the cab of the Elevation, you can see they changed a lot from the 2022 Limited to the 2022 Refresh. The first thing that you notice when you hop in is going to be this 13.4-inch touchscreen. This is also associated with Google, so if you have a Gmail account, you can hop in, hook up all your Google accessories to this vehicle. Listen to the podcast, use Google Assistant, the Google Play Store. One of my favorite features is the Google Maps. Updates to the time, so you can see traffic, you can see accidents, everything like that, and pretty nice big map that you can see on the screen. Sorry, just had to do a few updates real quick. As you can see, locates everything. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can move over, you can go wherever you want, or simple, easy to put in a destination and find exactly where you're looking for. When you hop back out of here, just like the old screens, you have your home button and it pops up all of your maps. Going back to what I said earlier, you have the surround vision, which is a really cool feature on this vehicle. So as you can see, we're now looking at the front of the truck. If you want to see all around you, you click that button right there and it shows a view of all around the truck. Bird's eye view of the front, bird's eye view of the back, which is really nice if you're trying to hook up a trailer by yourself. You can see exactly where you need to go to hook up, be line and straight, so you don't have to have somebody out there helping you. When you go down here, this comes with the standard on the premium package. You get your lane keep assist, you get your parking sensors in the rear, auto stop start. You can also open your tailgate from the inside of the truck. Your hazards are right there, your traction control, your downhill descent control. This is a really cool feature if you're off-roading, basically like a granny gear. Keeps you nice and slow when you're off-roading. And my new favorite feature that they added to the truck, you can actually open all windows by just pressing this button right here. Going down here, you have all of your controls. Your heated seats, your dual climate control, and then you have your trailer brake, integrated trailer brake right here, which is really nice. On the older vehicles, you know, if you added them after the fact, they were big, clunky. Most people hit their knees as they came in. With the 2022 refresh, they also moved your shifter from on the column to on the floor. So the cool thing about this is it's all electronic, super simple, easy to use. You press the left button and you shift to whatever gear you want. And then when you come to a destination, all you have to do is hit P and it throws you into park. Some other cool features are just the cup holders, the storage compartments that you have. What I love about the AT4 Premium is the wireless charging as well. Just set your phone in here, slide it down. While you're driving, it's going to charge for you. It's easy accessible too if you need that as well. And then when you open it up in here, you still have 2 more USB ports, and you also have your 110 household outlet, along with a cargo organizer tray as well. So as you notice, looking in the vehicle, what comes standard with the AT4 Premium or the Elevation Premium package is the leather. This is the first time that you could get leather in an Elevation. It used to be cloth only, which is really nice to add that leather feel, but still get the look and the ruggedness of the Elevation Premium package. Another thing that you weren't able to get in the Elevation before was the sunroof. I know a lot of people, especially here in Colorado, like having the sunroof. Now you get the same sunroof that comes on the AT4 and the Denali's. So it opens all the way up or it tilts as well. Going back up to the roof, you still have your garage door openers. You have your power sliding rear window as well. And then you have your lights and OnStar, which comes standard with the vehicle. So some cool features that you see on this side of the vehicle that come with the preferred package are going to be the adaptive cruise control. That's a really cool feature. It's going to slow you down and speed you up, so when you do have your cruise control engaged, you do not have to worry about it. You just let the vehicle do its thing. The trailer brake controller that I went over with you, and it also has the in-vehicle trailering app as well. So you can see your tire pressure of your trailer, you can hook up the trailer brake gain. It just remembers all the important information about the trailer that you have hooked up to the vehicle. Some other cool features that you have on this is going to be the automatic headlights. Super simple, easy to use. Just hit them on auto and they will stay on for you. You also have your fog lights here that I went over at the beginning of the video as well. Now these are your modes. GM and this body style came out with different driving modes. So you have your normal mode, you have your sport mode, and you have your mountain mode. Now that's not going to change your suspension or anything like that. It's just going to change the shift points of the transmission for you. And there's your trailer mode as well. You also have 4-wheel drive capabilities on this pickup. You have 2 high, auto, 4 high, and 4 low. All work great. Another cool feature that they added was the emergency parking brake is now electronic. Super simple and easy. You just press the button, it engages for you, and when you're ready, you press it again and it disengages for you. No longer do you have to press the foot pedal thinking that you got it all the way down and it doesn't end up releasing. As we go over to the door, you can definitely see the Bose sound system. Sounds great, very clear. Has the stand behind a Bose. One of the best sound systems, I think, in trucks right now. Power windows as well, all are powered down. Your driver is power back up. Now the other 3 windows you do have to press and hold to pull them back up. Lock, unlock as well, along with the nice wood grain that you get with the vehicle. Last thing that I want to go over on this one, because it is the diesel, is show you underneath the hood so you can see the diesel motor and how quiet the vehicle actually is. So this vehicle has a 3.0 Duramax Turbo Diesel I6 engine. It comes with 277 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Another cool feature that they added to this vehicle, this one does not have it, but you can get it, is the max trailering package. Once you add that, it does up your towing capacity substantially. This vehicle can tow about 8,500 pounds. With the max trailering package, you will be well over 10,000 pounds. This also comes with the new 10-speed automatic transmission with the electronic precision shift available as well. So it's going to be a very smooth shift point, which is also going to help improve your fuel economy already on this vehicle, which is about average of about 23 to 27 miles per gallon. As you can hear, a very quiet, smooth running diesel. It's not like the old diesels where it's a loud knock. They can hear you coming from a mile away. Once again, my name's Kyle here at Transwest Buick GMC, going over the brand new 2022 Refresh Elevation Premium Plus package. If you like this video, if you have any comments, anything like that, make sure you hit like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can call me as well. My cell phone number is 303-859-5537. Thanks.